Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a loan from Intesa Sanpaolo. First, open your web browser and go to the official website of Intesa Sanpaolo. Make sure you are on the correct website so you can safely continue the process. Once the website loads, look at the top menu. You will see different options available. Find and click on the option called Loans and Overdraft. This section contains all the loan services offered by the bank. After clicking that, you will see different loan types. Select the option called Quick Consumer Loan. This is the option designed for personal use and fast processing. Now scroll down the page. You will find a section where you need to enter the loan amount. Type the amount you need. Keep in mind that the maximum amount allowed is 45,000 euros. After entering the amount, choose the duration of the loan. You can select a short period like 3 months or a longer period depending on your needs. Next, choose the loan type. You will usually see options like fixed or variable interest rate. Select the one that suits you best. Then you will see an option asking what kind of offer you would like. Choose whether you want the loan with salary transfer or without salary transfer. Now click on Book an Appointment. A map will appear. Select the branch where you want to go. After that, choose a suitable date for your appointment. Finally, enter your personal details such as your name, email, phone number, and company name if you have one. Also mention if you are already a client or not. Submit the form and you are done. Thanks for watching.